Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some how to do polygel nails. So this is how much you want to have on your brush. You only need a really thin amount and you just want to paint your nails with a nice thin coat of base coat. Here I'm just using one from Yogi, which is really good. And make sure your hand is balanced on something. Here I'm just using their LED lamp, and then I like to push that polygel up using my brush near the cuticle. Now we're going to size up our nails to the dual forms, and here you want to leave that gap in the middle. I'm just showing you that that's how it should be. It shouldn't be like that when you're placing it because we need that gap to build an apex. So when sizing up your dual forms, you just want to basically check the sidewalls and make sure that they fit, because if they don't, then it will be too small. You always want to size up and not size down. Next, I'm using this polygel, which I really love, from Amazon. I will link it down below. And then I'm just dipping my brush in some slip solution and I'm just patting that polygel. You don't want to drag polygel too much. It's more of like a pat and pull. Then I'm just placing that onto my thumb, making sure that the sidewalls fit well. And once they do, I'm just cleaning up anywhere that's spilt near the cuticle area. I'm holding it with my finger. And then I'm just curing that in my lamp. Now that's the color, and I really like this color. Honestly, I don't know why people haven't reviewed this polygel that I'm using enough. Like, it's really good. The polygel is really easy to move and I love it so much. So I'm definitely going to link that down below, and it's got everything you need to start. It's got the dual forms, it's got the top and base, it's got everything. It's like a complete kit. The only thing it doesn't have, I think, is an LED light, but definitely get this kit because it is like really good. And then I'm just wiggling that off, and then that's what it is. It's so easy to do polygel nails, guys. You guys really need to try it. And notice how I keep dipping my brush. Do not use polygel with a dry brush. It will stick to your brush and make a big mess. Don't put too much pressure when pushing down the dual form, because you need to keep some space for the apex. And make sure you're checking the sides as well. Then just squeeze at the tip and then it will pop off, and that's what that looks like. I really like this color. I think it's shade light pink from the kit, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. Just placing that on, putting a little bit of pressure, not too much, and make sure that you smooth out the underneath of the nail as well, because when you cure it, you don't want you want like a smooth underneath basically, and it will reduce your filing time. And here I am doing the last finger. Like, you saw how quick that is. Like, make sure that the cuticle is, I'm trying to make it really thin here, the cuticle, because I realized I was kind of applying a little bit too much and it was spilling, which is fine. Just clean that up, but to avoid that, just apply really little product. And make sure you're always checking from the sides to see if it's got enough product there, because we don't want thin sidewalls, because that will cause the whole nail to just break off, and that is not what we want. So now that I'm happy with that, that only took me like a couple minutes to do. It was so quick. I'm just wiping off that sticky layer from underneath. The top shouldn't be sticky. And then I'm getting my nail cutters, which are for nails. These are not for like dogs. Clippers, and I'm just cutting down to the length I like. I wasn't going too long here. And then I'm using a file I have from Yogi, and I'm using the 180 grit side because it's so easy to file polygel. I love it so much. It's so easy to file it and it's so easy to remove it. I love that a lot. I e-file when I remove, so for me it's like really quick. I love it a lot. So just making sure that I have my shape down first, and you will see that I have like a little bit of a, like at the cuticle, I have like a little line of polygel there that kind of looks a bit weird. So I'm gonna go in with the hand file and smooth that out. I literally did not need an e-file for this because it was so easy to file. I highly recommend this polygel. It's like so smooth, it's so easy to work with. It also works with rubbing alcohol, so if you run out of slip solution, like honestly don't worry, it works with acetone, it works with rubbing alcohol, it works really well. So yes, I use slip solution for this video. And then I would like that kind of C-curve effect at the tip of the nail. So here I am just carving one in with my e-file. The e-file I'm using is from Macard. It's the JD700. And once I'm happy with everything, I'm going to remove the dust and make sure that the nail surface is buffed, because I want the top coat to stay and stick. If you apply top coat to a layer that is too like shiny and doesn't have any grit to it, or it's not matte, the top coat is more likely to kind of peel off. So I like to buff the surface before top coat, and if you want you can apply some nail prep as well, like acid-free primer as well. It helps the top coat stick and prevents it from chipping. And then I'm doing a last wipe off. I used this like bottle I found from like a store. It says all purpose, so I put my acetone in there and it works really, really well. And my other solutions, I like it a lot. And now I'm finally going to use some top coat. This is the Yogi top coat. I like it a lot. Works very well, and I'm just generously top coating. When top coating, have the finger pointing towards you so it doesn't drip into your cuticles. And I absolutely love this color. It's so nice and natural. And then I'm just finishing off with some cuticle oil. Rub that in and then you're done. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know down below if there's anything else you would like me to try or do for you guys. I really enjoyed doing this set. I think the nails look super cute. Don't forget to subscribe as well to my channel if you're enjoying this video. And I quickly want to throw in this clip of me swatching the Born Pretty purple series that they sent me. I thought I would like have some color on my nails. So I kind of did like the gradient thing where it goes from darkest to lightest, and this is what it looks like after it's cured. And then I applied a matte top coat, and these look so bomb. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.